Okay, so today what we're going to be demonstrating is the new blocking feature with Who's on My Wi-Fi. So on the left what you have is a laptop that's running Who's on My Wi-Fi. What you have on the right is a laptop that's just broken into the network. Okay, so let's go back to the intruder. And you'll see that the intruder's gotten onto your network, and they go to use the internet. And everything works fine. They go to Google, and Google loads up, just like normal. But now, because your Who's on My Wi-Fi is waiting in the background, scanning every 5 minutes, it's going to detect that. We're going to go ahead and scan now, just so we don't wait for the time to elapse. And you'll see that Who's on My Wi-Fi is scanning, and it's going to look for the intruder. And so while Who's on My Wi-Fi is scanning, you'll see that the intruder is still on your network, and they can still use the internet. You know, they decided to go to Lycos, and everything is normal. Decided to go to Yahoo, and everything's still normal. And they think they've gotten onto your network and don't have any problems. And Who's on My Wi-Fi running on the laptop or desktop on the left is finishing its scan.
Unknown computer found.
And now Who's on My Wi-Fi has detected the intruder. You can always type in that this is an intruder. And what we're going to do is we're going to start blocking them. So you click the block button over here, and we're going to agree to that. Okay, now let's go back to the intruder's computer, and let's see how this has affected them. Let's go back to Google. And what happens? You'll see that their internet browser is just spinning. You can't really do anything. It tries to go to Google, it doesn't work. Just try to go back to Yahoo, just to make sure that it's not just Google that's down. Try to go to Yahoo, you get the exact same thing. It just keeps spinning. And one more. Let's go to Lycos. And again, you'll see that it's just spinning. Okay, now let's uncheck blocking over here. And you'll see that Lycos pops up pretty quickly. So that's what the new Who's on My Wi-Fi blocking feature does, is when you click block, if they were already at a web page, for instance, Lycos, it's not going to do anything to them. But if they start trying to use Lycos, going to mail, sending emails, whatever they're trying to do, you'll see that it just completely freezes on them. They try to go to a different web page. Then again, it just freezes up on them. So that's what the new blocking feature with Who's on My Wi-Fi does. Please use it responsibly.